Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thinkorswim to trade options. First, navigate to the Trade tab within the platform. Here, you'll find the All Products section, which is your gateway to options trading. You can input a ticker symbol to view its option chain. This chain displays various strike prices and expiration dates, crucial for selecting your desired contract. Familiarize yourself with the bid and ask prices, as these indicate the current market value of the options. Once you've entered a ticker, the option chain will populate. You'll see different expiration dates. Choose one that aligns with your trading horizon. Below that, you'll find both call and put options. Calls give you the right to buy, while puts give you the right to sell. Pay attention to the strike prices, implied volatility, and open interest. These metrics provide valuable insights into market sentiment and liquidity for each option contract. To place a trade, simply click on the bid price for a sell order or the ask price for buy order on your chosen option contract. This action will automatically populate an order entry ticket. Here, you can specify your order type, such as market, limit, or stop. Adjust the quantity of contracts and set your desired price. Always double-check all the details on the order confirmation screen before you click Confirm and send to execute your trade. After placing your trade, it's essential to monitor your positions. Head over to the Monitor tab to view all your active options trades. This section provides real-time updates on your profit and loss, allowing you to assess your performance. If you decide to close a position, simply right-click on the specific option in your Monitor tab and select Close Order. This will generate a new order ticket to exit your trade efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.